Hi, I'm Aaron Williams, Sales Manager at Datacard, and today we are going to learn how to change your ribbon. Datacard's design makes it very simple for anyone to change your ribbon. Pop the top, grab the ergonomically designed cartridge, bring it out. Simply remove the spent ribbon. Each of Datacard's ribbon kits comes with a new ribbon, a cleaning card, and a cleaning sleeve on a roller. So you remove the new ribbon. And as you can see, they're different sizes and they can only go on one spindle, so you cannot load it incorrectly. Place that on. Take up the slack. The back, we've got the cleaning roller. Snap that off. Remove the spindle. Place the new one on. Snap it into place. Remove the paper. And now you're good to go. Place it back in the printer. Close it up and begin printing. That concludes how to change your ribbon. Any more questions, please go to datacard.com or contact your sales manager. Thank you.